For thousands of years, power was something you could touch, held by kings, priests, and armies. Nations and corporations built empires marked by borders and laws. We could often see who held power, or at least see the symbols and structures they commanded. But today, power is shifting into the digital realm of algorithms. These new seats of power are invisible, woven into our daily digital interactions. Algorithms decide our newsfeed, validate transactions, and shape our choices. This transition is subtle but monumental. The architects of these systems, the programmers, are the new lawgivers. This shift raises questions about sovereignty and control. Understanding this new digital empire is one of the most urgent tasks facing humanity. The future of freedom and authority depends on it. The concept of decentralization carries a utopian promise of liberation from central authorities. Early internet pioneers imagined a global village of free-flowing information and empowered communities. However, the reality diverged as large tech corporations emerged, controlling vast digital landscapes. Blockchain and cryptocurrencies renewed the promise of decentralization. They offered trustless systems, free from traditional intermediaries. Yet complexities and new forms of centralization emerged. The mining of cryptocurrencies can become concentrated. The development of core protocols often rests in the hands of a few. The journey of decentralization reveals a tension between ideals and practical implementation. We must critically assess who benefits from these systems. The dream of a truly flat world remains elusive. Protocols govern interactions within digital networks. Ethereum is more than a cryptocurrency. It's a decentralized computing platform. Smart contracts on Ethereum automate agreements, reducing the need for intermediaries. Imagine insurance claims paid automatically or royalties distributed instantly. Decentralized autonomous organizations, DAOs, are new forms of collective governance. DAOs operate transparently, with rules and transactions recorded on a public ledger. They aim to create democratic, member-driven organizations. However, challenges remain, such as who writes the initial code and how disputes are resolved. Token-based voting can lead to plutocracy. The algorithmic state is rising, and its nature is still being defined. AI is moving beyond specialized tasks and into governance. Governments use AI for optimizing traffic, allocating resources, and predicting criminal behavior. AI in social services could lead to fairer decisions, free from human bias. Predictive policing algorithms forecast crime, allowing strategic resource deployment. AI's reach into governance is expanding daily. The argument for AI centers on efficiency and impartiality. However, algorithms are designed by humans and trained on biased data. The pursuit of efficiency can come at the cost of human oversight and empathy. AI shapes our choices and opportunities, often in opaque ways. The algorithmic oracle speaks, and its pronouncements carry immense weight. One of the most dangerous myths is the neutrality of algorithms. Algorithms are designed by humans with biases and assumptions. Training data reflects societal inequalities, leading to biased outcomes. The past becomes encoded into our digital future. Digital empires exert immense influence worldwide, creating new dependencies. Local cultures and needs can be overlooked by standardized digital solutions. Our digital experiences are curated by algorithms, limiting exposure to diverse perspectives. This curation can hinder public discourse and understanding of complex issues. The digital empires offer choices, but paths are directed by unseen code. The myth of neutrality masks the true power dynamics at play. In a protocol-driven world, consent becomes complex. We click agree to terms of service without understanding the consequences. The systems are opaque, and the power imbalance is vast. Digital technologies can empower individuals but also enable unprecedented control. Algorithms shape behavior and create new forms of discrimination. The question of control remains central and unsettling. Is it the coders, corporations, or nation-states? The lines of authority are blurred and accountability is difficult to pinpoint. We must confront the future of democracy in an automated world. The choices we make today will shape the destiny of societies for generations.